Welcome back to the channel. If you're like me and get super excited about discovering clever tools and powerful gadgets that can transform your daily projects, then you are in the right place. Today, I'll be showing you 6 amazing products that are practical, durable, and designed to make work easier whether you're at home, in the garden, or outdoors on an adventure. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6, Wire Saw Cutter. This outdoor manual hand steel wire saw is the ultimate survival tool for campers, hikers, and adventurers. Made of durable stainless steel, it measures 70 centimeters in length and features 2 sturdy rings with a 360-degree rotational band at the ends. This design makes it extremely flexible and easy to use. You can cut through wood, plastic, bone, or even rubber in emergency situations. Lightweight and portable, it fits right into your travel or camping kit, giving you reliable cutting power when you need it most. Whether you're setting up camp or handling unexpected outdoor challenges, this wire saw is an essential piece of gear. Number 5, Telescopic Step Ladder. This stainless steel folding ladder is designed for both household and industrial use. With its sturdy structure, anti-shake triangular base, and aluminum alloy locks, it provides a secure and stable climbing experience. Measuring 1.4 plus 1.4 meters in herringbone style with 5 steps, it has a retractable height of 61 centimeters and can extend up to 137 centimeters. The ladder weighs just 7.4 kilograms and folds down to a compact size, making storage simple. Plus, it comes with a free tool storage bag for carrying essentials like drills, hammers, and wrenches. Perfect for painting, cleaning, repairs, or garden tasks, this telescopic ladder is a true multifunctional helper. Number 4, Belt Wrench Tool. This 6-inch belt wrench is a small but powerful addition to your toolkit. Made from engineering-grade PP plastic, it is lightweight at just 83 grams, yet strong enough for a variety of disassembly jobs. Measuring 15 by 5 by 2 centimeters, this adjustable spanner is ideal for loosening and tightening oil filters, pipes, and other fittings that require a firm but non-damaging grip. Available in bright red and yellow colors. It's compact enough to carry anywhere and simple to use, making it an essential tool for mechanics, plumbers, or anyone who values convenience. Number 3, Grafting Pruner Tool. The professional grafting machine is a dream come true for gardeners. Built with an aluminum alloy handle and SKS7 blade, this durable tool ensures precise and clean cuts every time. It accommodates grafted strips between 5 and 20 millimeters, making it versatile for a wide range of plant grafting tasks. Designed with a bypass pruner mechanism, it delivers smooth, effortless cuts. Whether you're working with branches or fruit seedlings, not only does it speed up your gardening work, but it also improves the success rate of grafting, making it an essential tool for anyone passionate about plants. Number 2, Drill Bit Sharpener. A dull drill bit can slow you down, but this multifunctional drill bit sharpener keeps your tools in top condition. Designed to handle sizes from 4 to 12 millimeters, it's compatible with most electric impact drills. Easy to install and stable in use, this attachment ensures your bits regain their sharp edge quickly and efficiently. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for carrying to job sites or keeping in your workshop. Crafted from high-quality materials, this sharpener extends the life of your drill bits, boosts efficiency, and ensures you always drill with precision. Number 1, Electric Screwdriver Kit. The JKME electric screwdriver set is the ultimate repair companion, packed with 180 tools in one. This rechargeable precision tool set runs on a built-in 3.7V battery and features 3 speed levels for versatility. Inside the kit, you get 162 screwdriver bits, 14 sockets, 4 S2 pieces, and a wide range of accessories, including opening tools, tweezers, a suction cup, spudgers, and even an extension rod. The bits are made from CRV material with zinc phosphate treatment, ensuring strength and rust resistance. Perfect for repairing phones, tablets, laptops, cameras, watches, and more. This professional-grade screwdriver kit ensures you're always prepared for any repair challenge. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.